Hello, welcome to Skill Up channel. If you want to increase your Wi-Fi security, it's better to hide your Wi-Fi name. After you hide your Wi-Fi name, then no one can access it to your network without your permission. So to do that, just open your Google Chrome browser, then type here IP address, which is 192.168.100.1, then hit enter.
Enter your username and password here, then press login.
Then click on WLAN. Then uncheck the broadcast SSID. Then click on apply. You are done. If you found useful this video, so please like this video and give thumbs up. And subscribe this channel too. Thanks.